Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with the video of ratio and proportion. In this video, we will learn how to solve ratio problem sums. Here I have mentioned two questions. Number 1, divide rupees 260 among two children in the ratio 2:3. And question number 2 is rupees 180 are to be divided among 3 children in the ratio 1/3 is to 1/4 is to 1/6. Find the share of each child. Both the questions are similar to each other. Only one difference is there. In question number 1 you will find the ratios are in whole number, whereas in question number 2 the ratios are in fractional number. So we will learn how to solve this. So let's begin. So in question number 1, as we know that we are told or we are asked to divide. As I have told you in the previous video, ratio means fraction. To divide rupees 260 in the ratio 2:3. So in the beginning we will write the total amount. So we write here total amount. So the total amount is rupees 260. Now simply we need to find the sum of the ratio. So the sum of the ratios are 2 and plus 3. So total we get 5. Now the simplest thing, we need to add the ratios and look at the formula, how I am going to apply that. We'll write share of the first child. Share of the first child will be equal to total amount. Total amount, that is rupees 260. It will be multiplied by the first ratio. That was for first boy or first child. So we write 2 upon the total of the ratio, 2 upon 5. Now let's reduce it. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 1 carried, 5 twos are 10. So all total we are getting rupees 104. Same way we will find the share of the second child. So we write therefore share of the second child, it will be equal to rupees, again the total amount was rupees 260 multiplied by the second ratio, 3 upon the total one, this one, upon 5. So again we reduce, we will get 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So we get rupees 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. We get rupees 156. So the first child will get rupees 104 and the second child will get rupees 156. Now if you have a doubt whether your answer is correct or not, then what you can do, you can just add the first answer with the second answer. If you get the total amount, that is rupees 260, it means your answer is correct. Now let's move on to the next sum. Question number 2. Rupees 180 are to be divided among 3 children in the ratio 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4 is to 1 upon 6. We need to find the share of each child. So what do? We don't operate with the fractional ratio. So what do? Like in the previous video I showed you, same thing we are going to do here. We will write the total amount. First we will write total. Let me draw a line here. 1 second, so that it will be clear to you. Let me draw a line. Okay. Hold on. Yes. Alright. So total amount is equal to rupees. This is also the symbol for rupees 180. Then ratios were, we write here ratios 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. So the LCM will be, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. If you have a doubt, you can refer to my previous video. The LCM will come 12, LCM of the denominator. So we need to multiply that 1 upon 3 into the LCM to 1 upon 4 into 12 is to 1 upon 6 into 12. So 3 4s are 4, 3s are and 6 2s are. So we get 4 is to 3 is to 2. Now again we will do the same process as we have done in question number 1. Now let us start. Here we will write sum of the ratio. It will be equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2. So total is coming 9. 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9. Now again, therefore, share of first child, it will be equal to rupees, what was the total amount? Let's check. 180. So rupees 180 multiplied by the first ratio 4 upon the total, that is 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 0 here. So we get rupees 80. So first child will get rupees 80. Same way, therefore, share of second child, rupees 180 multiplied by the second ratio, that is 3 upon the total. Again we get here 20, so it's coming 60. So second child will get rupees 60. Let's find out for the third child. Share of third child, it will be rupees 180 multiplied by, this is the third ratio, that is 2/9. So again we get here 20. So the third child will get rupees 40. Now as I've told you how to check your answers, let's add these three. Rupees 80 plus rupees 60 is becoming rupees 140, and another rupees 40 is coming up to the total rupees 180, which is exactly equal to the total amount. Means our answer is correct. So if you have understood, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.